everyone, so now we are at the Ferrarini sort of supermarket because we just went for a cheese tour, and the cheese that we were finding more about was Parmigiano Reggiano, which is the premium class cheese, and it's pretty expensive. So this we came to Parma to visit this factory, and later we're going to see the balsamic vinegar factory, which I'm really excited about too. And this morning we set out at like 7 and we drove rather far, and the GPS took us to some awkward person's house, and then the person was so unfriendly, and then the GPS was like turn right, turn right, turn right, turn right, turn right, and then my dad almost smashed it, and like, yeah, awkward. But anyways, I had a really fun time in the touring place, but I couldn't show y'all anything because no photography allowed, and yeah, I'm pretty sad too. But anyways, we're gonna have some cheese tasting soon, so I'll show you all what I'm gonna have. Yeah, and I'll be showing you a supermarket tour as well, so I hope that you guys enjoy it. Tour. So fire my hair. Wait, recording is on? No, I'm. Food.
What is this called? Parma salami. Japan one time.